Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be writing numbers that follow the clues that are written in each box. So we're going to do a few together, and then I want you to try some on your own. You just have to be watching for if it's a tens or a ones. So if I said to you, please write a number with 4 tens, what kind of a number would you write? Yeah, we could write like 41, 42, anything in the 40s. The next one says 8 ones. That means I can write anything that has an 8 in the ones column. So like 28, 38, 48 when we count by unfriendly tens. So let's just say we're writing 28. The next one says what? Read it with me. 6 tens. So this means that we can write anything on the 60s row. So let's pick a number. 63. The next one, read together with me. 5 ones. That means I can write anything in the ones column. So when we count by unfriendly tens, 5, 15, 25, 35, we can pick any number there. So let's do like 35, okay? Let's do another row together, and then I'll have you do the last 3 rows on your own and check it with your teacher. So this one says 9 ones. So let's write a number with 9 ones. I think 79. Good, let's read the next one together. 5 tens. So any number with 5 tens we could write here. So let's do 52. This one says 0 ones. So that means I'm counting by friendly tens because they all have 0 ones. So you could write any of the friendly tens. Okay? 4 ones. So this means anything with a 4 in the ones column. So let's do like 94. I want you to try the rest of them on your own, except I'm going to help you with this one right here. Let's read this one. 0 tens. That means it has to be any number smaller than 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So maybe like 8. Okay. Now I want you to try the rest on your own and then turn it over for rocket math on the back.